Ladies and gentlemen, in this video, we are going to tackle the terrifying question, what would happen if an asteroid the size of a continent were to collide with Earth? Stay tuned as we take a journey into the realm of hypothetical disaster. Before we dive into the catastrophic scenario, let's first understand the scale of the asteroid we are discussing. An asteroid the size of a continent would be massive, likely stretching hundreds of kilometers in diameter. If such a celestial body were to make impact with Earth, the consequences would be truly catastrophic. When the asteroid impacts Earth, it would release an immense amount of energy, equivalent to multiple nuclear explosions. The initial impact would create a massive crater, potentially hundreds of kilometers wide and several kilometers deep. The force of the impact would create shockwaves that would travel across the planet, causing devastation far beyond the impact site. One of the immediate consequences of such a catastrophic impact would be the formation of tsunamis. The impact of the asteroid would displace an enormous amount of water, sending massive waves radiating outwards from the impact site. These tsunamis would inundate coastal areas, causing widespread destruction and loss of life. The impact of an asteroid the size of a continent would also have profound effects on the Earth's atmosphere. The immense amount of dust and debris thrown up by the impact would block out sunlight, leading to a phenomenon known as nuclear winter. Temperatures would drop significantly, leading to widespread crop failures and famine. The dust and debris in the atmosphere would also disrupt weather patterns, leading to extreme and unpredictable weather events. The catastrophic consequences of an asteroid impact of this scale would likely lead to an extinction-level event. The combination of tsunamis, extreme weather, and food shortages would be devastating to life on Earth. Many species, including humans, would struggle to survive in the aftermath of such a cataclysmic event. In the unlikely event that some life on Earth were to survive the impact of an asteroid the size of a continent, the long-term consequences would still be dire. The global climate would be drastically altered, making the planet inhospitable for many species. The recovery of ecosystems and the rebuilding of civilization would be a monumental task that could take millennia. In conclusion, the impact of an asteroid the size of a continent on Earth would be a cataclysmic event of unimaginable proportions. The devastation caused by such an impact would be felt for generations to come, with the potential for extinction looming over all life on the planet. While the chances of such an event occurring are slim, it serves as a stark reminder of the fragility of life on Earth and the importance of planetary defense efforts. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the realm of hypothetical disaster. Stay curious, stay informed, and stay safe. Goodbye.